Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue when you can't add a phone number to your Steam account. This is a common problem, but don't worry, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to fix it. Let's dive in. First, you want to open your Steam application, you want to log into your account, then from here, you want to choose Help at the top. Click this and then choose Steam Support, the first option. Click this, then you want to look for My Account. Click My Account. Then after that, you want to choose Steam Guard. This one, just scroll a bit and then click Steam Guard. Now, this tool often requires a phone number, so if you're having trouble adding one, this is the right place to start troubleshooting these options. Now, if the information there doesn't fix your issue, you can just scroll down and then click on Contact Steam Support, this one. This lets you manually describe your problem in detail. Just be clear and concise and explain that you're unable to add your phone number and include any relevant details. And once you've written your message, just go ahead and click send. And now all you need to do is wait for a response from Steam support. Keep an eye on your email linked to your Steam account, and check for any support ticket updates. And basically, that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the problem and successfully add your phone number to your Steam account. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.